Hello everyone, we are going to see about TypeScript with Angular. Using TypeScript with Angular allows you to create type-safe and more maintainable Angular application. Here's a detailed guide on how to set up and use TypeScript with AngularJS. First, we want to open VS Code editor, go to terminal, new terminal, and then type ng new your file name my new Angular app and then default. It will take time to install. After installing, we want to go to the file and drag the file into the VS Code. See, these are the things which are installed in AngularJS and TypeScript. Go to terminal, new terminal. Here we want to create a new component using Angular CLI. For that, ng generate component hello. It will create a component hello. See, we got the component hello like this. After generating, go to hello component.ts. First, we want to import component comma input from at angular/core. And then add component selector and then template name next we want to export class hello component at input string equal to empty and then constructor this dot name equal to empty. If I say this, and then we want to go to app.component.html and say that I want to create div and then style text align center. H1 welcome to title. App hello. You want to give a name equal to title. If I save this, next in app.component.ts, if I go to main.ts, and now if I run this for that ng serve dash dash open. If I run this, now if I run this, now if I go there and if I refresh, go to main.ts ng serve dash dash open. See, I am getting welcome to my Angular app. Hello, my Angular app. Like this, we want to make TypeScript with AngularJS. Using TypeScript with AngularJS allows you to write type-safe and more maintainable Angular application. By following these steps, you can set up and start using TypeScript with Angular in your projects. Thank you.